Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly we have to open our contact list, and we can do it using the dialer, so simply tap on the dialer and go to your contacts. Now we have to find the contact we would like to edit and tap on it, so I will pick Eddie and tap on this info icon. Here we can tap on this camera icon or tap on edit and again tap on camera icon. So let me tap here, and as you can see here we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose in order to add the photo. So firstly we can use some avatars which are defaultly installed here. After tapping on this plus icon you can get much more options to choose from. What's more, we can, if you don't want to set the avatar, just tap on this minus icon to remove it. So let me get back. What's more, we can tap on the camera and your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can simply tap on the gallery and we will be able to pick something from previously taken photos or some downloaded ones. So let me pick the gallery. Here we have to give the permissions, so just tap on allow and pick the photo you'd like to use. And as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of the square and actually the circle and change its position, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for that. So just position it like you want to and tap on done if you're ready. As you can see it immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on save. After getting back, we can see that it is visible on our contact list. What's more, you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.